Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I'm here. Yes, I'm outside. I'm on my back porch, and I have decided to go ahead and close out my hidden giveaway. And I've written all the names down. I'm going to do the Google random number picker. Now, y'all, the reason why I'm choosing to do it this way, I did this the last time, and I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to keep doing it this way unless I decide to change things. But there's been some talk behind the scenes of the whole paper drawing, so I just do not want to ever be accused of not playing fair and not playing right. I've also heard complaints about the random comment picker. So, thinking that the computer tends to pick higher numbers and not lower numbers. Well, I have had the random comment picker or the random number picker from Google pick high and low. So, with that being said, this is what I have chosen to continue to do my giveaways on because I want it to be fair. I want it to be honest, and I want y'all all to know that I would never ever cheat on my giveaways. So with that being said, this is the best way I know how to make sure that you know. Now, you'll have to excuse my lighting and fidgety shadows and hands, but I'm going to see these. Let's see if I can get you. There we go. The hidden giveaway. Number 1, it was in my very last video. And it was a hidden giveaway, and I announced I'm going to be a Gigi again. And so with that being said, I asked you to put in the word precious, not just the word precious. You had to put it in all caps. As a matter of fact, I wanted to make sure everyone had an opportunity. And if I saw you use the words precious and did not put it in caps, I went back and gave you an opportunity to change that. So I commented on your link. I want everybody that can have the opportunity to win if they want to. Now, this is for some eyelash trim. And other trims. I may add more to it. It will just depend. I never said if it was international or not. And I am happy to see we had an international Freet Swin enter, so I'm completely 100% okay with that. I apologize for not letting that be known. But with that being said, we have got 1 through 15 who actually used the word precious in all caps. I had one sweet lady who chose not to, even after I gave her an opportunity. She knows who she is, and she just wanted to support, and I cannot thank her enough for that. That's so sweet. I also know that several other of you did not, and you watched the whole video because you told me, but yet you did not want to do anything but support my channel, so thank you. Now, I have a hashtag right here, and the reason why I have that hashtag is because she decided to tell me a story in her comments that was probably funnier than the story I told in mine. Now, we had 48 comments. Some of them were mine returning comments back, but we had a total of 15 entries that used the correct word in caps. So, with that being said, I'm going to move this aside and drop it, of course, because that's me. But y'all know me by now. Now I just got to find the right page to get y'all back, and there you are. I apologize for the camera angle, but are you ready? Because I have cleared it out to 00. Now, I will enter 1, if I can see it again, through. Make sure y'all see what I'm doing. 15. Again, I apologize, but I hope you're. Let me prop you right here so I can have a steadier hand. Okay, y'all. I wish you all the best of luck, and no, this will not be the only hidden giveaway I do. I love to do giveaways. I love to bless others. And I definitely don't always need all the stuff I get. So I'd rather bless some of my friends. So good luck to each and every one who commented, and I wish you the best. So let's see, it is. Good luck. I love you all. Thank you. And it is number 9. I'm going to try to keep you there before I figure out who number 9 is in my shadow. Number 9 is, oh my God. Enchanted Craft Soleil. Number 9. Girl, you know, here's the story behind this one. As I thought, man, if she wins, this will push my butt into sending her package that I have been slowly trying to get together. So, Sweet Soleil, not only will you get your winning package, you will also have an entry, because I was not able to support your channel because I've been so busy. Then I have added a couple of things, and of course I've got, you know, everything that you asked for in your challenge, and I'm behind on all my thank yous, so you'll get your thank you too, and I will send it all. This will push my butt to get you taken care of, girl. Sorry about that, y'all. I had cut off, and I do not want to do a redraw. I do not think that would be fair. But anyway, Soleil Enchanted by Craft Soleil 1, number 9. And, sweetheart, I just ask that you contact me within 1 week. Actually, I will even give you a couple more days. I tend to ship on Fridays. If I miss Friday, then I ship out the following Monday. But it is 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, U.S. And so could you please contact me by, let's say, Tuesday night. I don't know what that date is. It's 1 week and 1 day from tonight is Monday night. And if you can contact me, because I will redraw on Wednesday at 10 p.m. Central Standard U.S. time, which I'm sure you'll probably contact me. You have a choice. I have Facebook Instant Messenger. I have Instagram, and you can DM me there and do instant message there, or you can send me an email. My instant messenger and my email will be in the description box below. My Facebook is Carmen Lee, Leigh, is my last name, and I'm pretty easy to find. Other than that, please contact me within 1 week, 1 day. Thank y'all all so much. I cannot thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you got a kick out of it. Lord knows I got some kicks out of your comments back. And I'm so grateful and thankful for my new grandbaby to be on its way. We'll see what she will be. He will be. It will be. Anyway, thank y'all. Y'all please stay safe. Please keep sanitized. I'll be praying for you. Pray for us. And as always, I wish you the best. Bye, y'all.